is helping in the medical industry? That's so cool. Hi, I'm Yomhei Ditong from grade 7 Myanmar International School. As you've seen earlier, I'm pretty surprised by how AI is helping through medical industry. But medical industry is not the only industry that AI is helping with. Some industries such as film production, food, and transportation use AI to help their lives better. But the industry that I'm going to tell today is the education industry. But you may ask why is this education? Well, there are some apps such as ChatGPT that are powered and developed by AI. So I've gathered some apps and websites that I think is beneficial to me and the other students who are using AI as their homework and assignments. So please stick to the end to find out the multiple apps and websites that I've gathered. The number one app that I found is CamScanner. CamScanner is a widely known scanning app with 500 million users each year in 200 countries. It was released in 2011 and is available in 17 languages, including from Hindi, English, and Chinese. It is widely known because of its exceptional ability to transform handwritten or printed text into digital text. It can scan documents and images to provide the best clear resolution. So now I'm showing you the difference between scanning a photo and taking a photo. So here, now I'm taking a photo of a document that I want to send to my friend. So this is the result of taking a photo. Now I'm going to scan it. And this is the result of scanning the photo. Comparing those two photos, you can see how much CamScanner helps to give clear resolution and to fix its bad handwriting. You can also change different types of filters and adjust the lighting and saturation in CamScanner. I will be using CamScanner if I want to send documents or scripts to my teachers or my friends. It is really helpful and I hope it is beneficial to you too. The second website that I found is Google Gemini. Have you heard of Google Gemini before? Well, probably you don't because it was released in December 6, 2023. Some people say that Google Gemini is a 2.0 of Google because it can engage in human-like conversations, can comprehend language, and can generate pictures. There are 4 main models in Google Gemini: Gemini Ultra, Gemini Pro, Gemini Flash Weight, and Gemini Nano. Gemini Ultra is the largest model of all and can do highly ranged tasks. Gemini Pro is mostly used for general performance and can do tasks. Gemini Flash Weight is optimized for speed and efficiency, and Gemini Nano is the smallest model, which is suitable for on-device tasks. So now I'm going to show you the human conversation that I'm doing with Google Gemini. So I'm going to ask Gemini the best hotels to live in Bangkok, Thailand. So here, Google Gemini will show me a list of hotels with review ratings so that it's suitable for me to live. Personally, I think that Google Gemini is better than Google. So for example, you want to find an AI-generated website that can generate art. So you have to go to Google and search for your desired website. That may take you hours or just minutes. But in Google Gemini, you can only do that in less than a second by writing a set of instructions or what type of format you want your art to be. And then Google Gemini can generate the type of art that you want in less than a minute. So that is why I think Google Gemini is more efficient and time-saving than Google. The third and the last website that I found is SciSpace. SciSpace is the #1 search engine for science, and it was launched in 2016. SciSpace represents the related news articles with the topics. It also shows the summary of the 5 top news articles. So I can use SciSpace if I want to do some research about, let's say, global warming. So now I'm going to type global warming in the search bar of the SciSpace, or maybe here's the search bar. And then once I enter it, you can see the summary of the top 5 papers. And then beneath it, you can see each article with its summary. So for example, this article is about global warming, and then it shows the insights of this article. So SciSpace is really helpful for students with research and especially high schoolers because it shows the summary of each news article. So instead of just finding news articles and news, you can also use SciSpace for grammar checking, paraphraser, or literature review. So here I'm showing you the different toolbars located in SciSpace. So SciSpace is like a little AI assistant which you can do two in one, searching news articles and checking your grammar skills. So all of these are my apps and websites that I found for today's video. I hope that some of you learned something new in here and it's beneficial to your daily life. However, we must learn to not overly depend on AI. We must use AI wisely so that we can also be independent and use AI as our little assistant. Thank you for watching today's video, and I hope to see you again.